Spider beetles are tiny pests known to infest pantries and other areas with stored products. These insects infest grain products like cereals or rice, and moldy foods that provide an ideal environment for egg laying. In this video, we'll go over how to identify spider beetles, how to control an outbreak, and how to prevent further infestations. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Several species of spider beetle may be found in the United States. Their body colors include reddish brown, black, pale yellow, or cream. Generally, their body lengths may range from 2 to 5 millimeters. Spider beetles get their name from their resemblance to spiders. These pests, however, are insects with 6 legs, a pair of antennae, and round, globular abdomens. Their heads are often tucked under their thoraxes, giving the impression that they have 2 segmented bodies like arachnids, instead of the usual 3 segmented bodies insects have. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Indoors, look in and around the kitchen. Check inside cabinets, shelves, pantries, and drawers. Also check underneath the sink where plumbing penetrates the wall, and under or behind appliances. Spider beetles are nocturnal, so they may be found harboring in cracks or crevices in walls, attics, or other seldom-used rooms. Outdoors, check out storage areas like the shed or where you may be storing grain products like birdseed or dog food. Look for any holes in packaging, webbing in food, shed skins, or pest waste. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. The primary method of control for stored product pests in residential properties is the removal of the source and sanitation. The first step is to clean out your pantry. Start by throwing out boxed and bagged foodstuffs. If you found at least one infested package, odds are pests have found their way into other foods. Set aside everything else from the pantry, then vacuum all cracks and crevices in the pantry's shelving. Small pantry pests may be found in these tight spaces as they travel from product to product. Throw out the vacuum's contents outdoors when you're done. Wipe down the pantry shelves and other surfaces with warm water and a gentle soap to clean up any food residue. Do not use any strong detergents or bleach. Harsh cleaning products will repel pests away from any insecticides you want them to make contact with. Once you're done cleaning, start chemical control with Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a bifenthrin-based liquid suspended concentrate that is labeled to treat over 70 different pests. In a handheld sprayer, mix 1 fluid ounce of Supreme IT into 1 gallon of water to treat every 1,000 square feet. Indoors, apply crack and crevice treatments where pests hide. Remove all food, containers, and other objects from the area prior to treatment, and do not replace them until the solution has dried completely. Outdoors, broadcast your solution evenly over your lawn with a fan or cone spray pattern. Spray shrubbery and ornamentals above and below to coat all leaf surfaces. Spray all foliage to the point of wet but not runoff. Pests that make contact with the solution or treated areas will have their nervous systems impacted and die after several hours. Conduct a perimeter application by spraying entry points like doors, windows, and other voids that insects can use to hide or invade. Then, spray your structure's outer perimeter 3 feet up the foundation and at most 10 feet out. Next, apply a residual product like D-Fender Dust. D-Fender Dust is a dry, moisture-resistant insecticidal dust product. On contact or if ingested, the product will impact the pest's nervous system, rendering it unable to function. This product's application rate is 1 ounce per 125 square feet or half a pound per 1,000 square feet. With a handheld dust applicator, treat deep into cracks, crevices, and voids. On proper application, no dust is visible from a normal perspective. All utensils and surfaces in an area where food is processed should be covered before treatment and thoroughly washed before use. Stick the duster's spout into the area to be treated and lightly puff a fine, even layer of product. The amount of dust you output will depend on the force applied when you squeeze the duster and the position the duster is held in. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. When buying dry foods at the grocery store, examine the packaging. If you can see the product through transparent packaging, try to look for any signs of infestation. If you see any holes, rips, or tears in the packaging, or signs of feeding activity, pass that item up. Keep up with cleaning in and around the kitchen. Take out the garbage daily, and avoid leaving pet food out overnight. You should also address any moisture problems in and around your home, repair any faulty plumbing, and wipe dry the kitchen sink. Finally, be sure to make regular reapplications of Supreme IT. This product protects treated areas for up to 90 days, so reapply every 3 months to maintain protection year-round. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop spider beetles from breaking out, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.